on our way to Fife.
Brunton
to look for a double concentric
stone circles.
Concentric circle today.
Behind the scenes.
Like you'll notice, folks, I have got some new hiking shoes, not boots, shoes from Aldi's there for $15.99. Now these old ones here, these are old Skechers, Skikers. I've actually had them 10 years.
Wow.
It's just shocking. So off we go on our behind the scenes adventure.
Taking a bit of shade to that boy yesterday.
So I'm not giving you a weather update, folks. As you can see, the windscreen wipers are on. There's dark clouds in the sky. There's autumnal leaves there. So the forecast today is for sun and, well, it says sun and showers, but it's going to be just clear and the odd shower, I think, today. So as long as we get a wee break in the rain, we'll be fine. Right. So we're just away to turn off to a place called Creech, Brunton and Creech.
Yep.
First flood of the day, folks.
Through.
Now we've made an emergency stop, folks, because Jag thinks he's found a dead badger on the road. Seems quite unusual, a badger up here. Maybe it's a fox. But stay tuned, folks. We'll let you know when he comes back what it actually is. Can't see where he went. Here he comes, though. Oh no. What was it?
Dead badger.
Was it a badger?
Yeah.
Oh, folks, it was a badger after all.
It's horrific. We think it's lying there. So I don't know whether it's been baited or whether it's just been hit by a car.
Oh.
So I don't know. I'll let this geezer go past me.
So yeah, check out Jag's channel. You'll see a dead badger, folks.
Oh,
not very nice.
Yeah, I don't know whether they've been hit.
Oh, here's a flood coming. Hang on. Let's switch
Oh
round.
no, hang on.
Oh dear.
Flood cam. We're through.
So yeah, don't do dead badgers on behind the scenes, but check out the main SPiS channel. You'll see all the dead things on there. Fungi and dead things on the real channel. Yes.
Good stuff.
Oh, this is the way into Brunton, folks. It's a tiny little, it's the thinnest road ever.
My lord.
Two-house village,
Right.
Brunton. There's a man. We should ask him.
This is like, what's that film? The Wicker Man.
Information board.
Oh, it's quite a packed information board for a wee place, isn't it?
Right, folks, there's a man ahoy. A man ahoy.
Man with a wheelbarrow.
We're going to ask. Try to do some secret filming.
Right. He knows we're going to ask him, doesn't he? Hello there, good afternoon. Well, if you could help us, we're looking for a stone circle. It's like a double stone circle at Brunton House or something, or do you know anything off Sandstone Circle?
Brunton Hill House, is it?
I think it could be that one, yes. It's marked on the road. It's just that Brunton.
So, good information there, folks. We've got some information from a man.
Yeah.
He said to go back through the town, and it's called Brunton Manse. Through the town, turn left at the T-junction, then 150 yards off to the right.
And it's locked.
So, it's locked with Range Rovers. Is this the T-junction? Yes, go right.
T-junction then to the right.
Or is this the T-junction to the left? I don't know.
No, this is
That looks like a mansion. What's got a phone box?
This is not here, private. Oh, is this it? Oh, no, this can't be.
This can't be. Is that the Brunton? Oh dear. Maybe that was the T-junction. I don't know, bro. There's two T-junctions. We're still looking, folks. We're still trying to find the right direction here. Right, we found the manse, folks. Now we'll just look for the stone circle. Don't know where it could be. Right, we've been given directions, folks. Another lovely lady from the village came and helped us. Thought we were going to make an offer on the house, but no. Actually, she was quite rude. Well, you'll need 400,000. Thought, well, we might have 400,000. You never know. Obviously, I thought we didn't look rich. So yes, it's up along this path up to the right, I think she said. So we'll let Jag lead the way. This is his find and we'll follow on
Yeah.
from behind.
Thank you. Oh dear. Wow.
This is the stone circle, folks. You can see it.
Yep.
And visions of big massive stones, but So you would have seen from Jag's channel there all that information. I won't divulge it all again, but very interesting.
I've forgotten it all anyway.
But we're going into the double circle now, folks. Now this, I think this middle stone is called a knob stone or something, is it not? If I remember right.
A knob stone.
Is it not called something like that? A knob stone. I'm on the knob stone, folks. Thought of, falling off the knob stone. I'm sure it's something like that. It's a funny name.
The centre stone.
Oh, is that what it is? So anyway, I'm in the middle of the circle, as you can see, folks. There's the single circle around me here, and then the outside circle going around me there. So yeah, actually quite interesting. Needs a bit of a clean up, so we think sacrifices were made here.
Oh,
No, definitely not.
now I see it. Definitely not. Hello! Double, it's a double stone circle, not just one but two circles. What's that all about? Two circles?
There's an old bench there, folks, and there's an old bench here. Now, is this where people would sit and watch the sacrifice, you think?
Quite possibly.
Well, just here to look at the view. Now, we have suggested, folks, we come up here with some rakes and some cleaning utensil things to give it a good old clean. We could be the stone circle restorers.
Yes.
What do you think?
Well, sounds like a Channel 5 series. Stone circle!
Restorer, yeah.
Restorers.
So we have given this a mark on the SPiSometer, what Jag has, so check out his channel for the SPiS mark. Do you like the new top, by the way, folks? I've got a behind the scenes top. It's a bit big, but it's nice and cosy, and it's behind the scenes.
And what does it say on the back?
Well, just in case you don't know who I am, on the back it says, I'm bro.
Bro.
It does indeed, folks. So this massive manse that's for sale, folks. You got all this garden. The house is just in there, we'll show you just in a second. But you get all this for 400,000. Amazing value. Can't even get a one-bedroom flat in London for that, or Edinburgh. And you've got this beautiful countryside and a stone circle as well. Yes, all this property here, folks. 400,000. I think it's got 5 or 6 bedrooms. Very nice. Well, disappointment, folks, the SPiS pistol shop is shut. So, some nice murals here though. This is the SPiS pistols mural. And there, folks, we spotted an Ur Willie from the back. The orange marmalade Ur Willie. Now this building here, folks, now through here and up at the back, now I think that's actually maybe in there, actually it could have been that door there, was where I bought my very first flat from, in there. And it took me all of 15 minutes to complete the purchase of a flat. That was the one up at Durrup Street. Now in those days all you did was you went to see there's a brand new flat, brand new, just still getting built. I went to see it, thought, oh, this is quite nice. Came down here and the woman goes, what do you think about the flat? I went, yeah, it's very nice. And she said, do you want to buy it? And I went, yes, I think I'll have it. Sign here, there's your mortgage, 100% mortgage, no problem. There's your keys and you move in whenever you want. That's how simple it was, folks, to get a mortgage in those days. Didn't even bother, and it was for £37,500. This brand new, beautiful 2-bedroom apartment. It was really nice. And I moved in just like that. So that's the way to do it in those days. And I got it from here. Now the only time I've been hypnotised in my life was in here as well. They did a hypnotist show, but I've got a confession to make. I actually wasn't hypnotised at all. I just pretended. I went with the flow because everybody else was hypnotised. I thought I better pretend that I was hypnotised too, but I wasn't actually hypnotised. So I was lying. Why has that man got a selfie stick? Why has that man got a selfie? Why are they men filming? Well, we went to the DCA there, folks. There was some weird film show that I tried to participate in, but it just didn't fit in. Just not our scene. So, never mind. We're walking down towards the centre of Dundee now. So Jack is back in the place where he got chased away last time. So will he get shouted at again? Here he comes. Check out what Jags has brought us, look folks, scones and everything. Right, we're sitting here in, what's this place called?
Henry's house.
Henry's Coffee House in Dundee City Square, folks. Very nice. We had scones.
Yes.
I'm going to give my scone an 8 out of 10 on the sconometer. And my cappuccino, now cappuccino is nice, but I can't taste it very well. But I'm going to give it a 7. Even though it's got the possibility of niceness when my taste buds come back.
I'm just going to go for a good solid 7 all round.
Yes, as Brian would say, a solid 7.
Solid 7.
Yes.
Thank you.
But we're sitting outdoors, folks. It's October.
Yep.
And we're sitting outdoors in the city square. Wonderful. Very nice.
My name's Jack, so
Good to see you,
nice to
Jack.
meet you. All right,
What's
mate.
your name,
I'm
sir?
Bro.
Oh, sorry.
I'm Bro.
Good to see you, bro. Good to see you, mate.
Jag and
That's
bro.
smart. You've got the one down.
Oh, yeah, look at the
Bell coming on speed. I got things to cheer on it. But same come.
Right, that last video, folks, that was Fast Eddie, who's a local busker, I suppose we'd call him. Looks like a bit homeless, but he seems sound enough. Seems sound enough guy, but those two Neds turned up, so I don't know what they were going to do. They were going to take money off him. Kept a wee eye when we walked away, and he seemed okay. He carried on playing, but yeah, he was quite a good, quite a musician. Right, so that's the end of today's behind the scenes videos, folks. Not much to see today, but it was quite a good little day out. Seen stone circles and lost in the village of Brunton, and we had cappuccinos and a wee dawned around Dundee, so it's all good. Always plenty to...
It's always an adventure.
Always an adventure, yes. So thanks for watching. Check out Jag's channel, and we'll see you sooner than you think. No, I'm just joking. We'll see you behind the scenes next week. Scuds concentric. Scuds concentric. Scuds concentric. Oh, falling off the knob still. Oh, falling off the knob.